Royal Caribbean soars after boosting full-year profit forecast. So when you look at Royal Caribbean, Fox, you were talking about stocks, with all this hot weather. A lot of people want to go out on the water. All right, a lot of people want to go out on the water. Knife Man, this is a stock. This is a group of stocks. We're going to take a look at them in a second. From a money-making perspective, Knife Man, I can't help but to get on board with the travel stocks. The summer's hot. People want to get away. Airbnb. I did a video on travel stocks. Airbnb. I did a story that I don't know if it ever got published for U.S. News and World Report about travel stocks. Some of my favorite travel stocks. I think one of them was Booking.com. I picked an airline. I think I picked Delta. I picked a hotel. I think I was Hilton. So I did a booking, and then I did Royal Caribbean as a shipping. So those were my 4 best travel stocks that I liked. So Knife Man, I can't help but to get on board with this. Royal Caribbean and a lot of the shipping companies are probably really good plays. A lot of people, when you see they boosted the full year profit forecast, a lot of people are wanting to travel. All right, let's get into my list again. And I took Royal Caribbean. Look at this. I took 3 shipping cruise ships. Look at where they sit in my list. They're number 1, 2, and 3 by VST. So Knife Man, you want something? I'm giving it to you. Now, the thing about these stocks is that because of COVID, they've gotten so beaten up. I was looking to see if they were going to be undervalued. They're getting close, but no cigar. You get it? Cigar? No cigar. But all of these companies have relative values above 1. They have good upside potential. The summer is hot. People want to get away. People are still trying to get out of from under the thumb of being locked up so long from COVID. These shipping companies are rocking. Let's go. Us, I know they're rocking. Look at their earnings growth rate. All three of them have earnings growth over 40%. So Knife Man, this is where I'm putting you right now. You want me to show you the money? This is where I'm putting you right now. These shipping companies, these cruise lines. I'm also going to tell you to keep an eye on a couple of airlines. I like Delta and I like American. Another one would be Booking.com, BKNG. You got to book, right? My hotel of choice would probably be Hilton. I think that's HILT. So I'm giving you a space for you to make money and giving you some stocks in that space. All right. But the cruise lines, look at them. They are kicking butt and taking names. As a matter of fact, let's go. There's Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, which we just went on this year. That was my first cruise. My wife doesn't know it, but I'm planning another cruise for us for somewhere between next March and April. And then we're already planning a cruise to go to Hawaii, a Hawaiian cruise for 2025. But I think at this point in our lives, I need to do at least 1 cruise a year. 1 cruise a year. Got to. Just got to. I got to have a cruise in my life right now. Let's go take a look at these stocks. Let's go put these on a 3-month graph. Knife Man, you watching? Knife Man. Type of 1 if you're watching, Knife Man. Look at this. Royal Caribbean, bottom left, top right. Big gap. That was probably earnings. Yep, that was the earnings play. Look at that. All right, that's Royal Caribbean. Let's go look at, there's Norwegian. Pulled back right to a level of support. Right about here. Look at that bounce. 3 and 8 just crossed today. So can you say aloha to all your peeps? I always say aloha to all my peeps at the end of the session. But look at that bottom left, top right. And the last one is Carnival. Also found a level of support, bouncing to 3 and 8 just crossed up. So Knife Man, I got you, bro. I got you. All right.